People are now starting to recognize our images online. We're getting more likes, more recognition. Local marketing essentials we've been using now for, I would say, probably close to 2 years. Maybe it's been a significant part about what we do. We started our business roughly about 2.5 years ago. I thought of taking on the social media aspect myself. If you want to run your business properly and free yourself up to do other things, you absolutely need to hire a company to handle some of these other tasks. I just couldn't see any other way. It would suck my time out. It would take me, hours on a weekly basis just to deliver the same stuff that you guys can do in a much more efficient manner. We need to have it. It's been consistent, and we believe that it's going to deliver consistent results. It's a core part of what we do. I would say after the 6-month mark, we're consistently seeing good feedback. Once we added on a couple other social platforms, it really picked up and we've had some good engagement. We definitely believe that we're seeing monetization from the efforts on Facebook. Our local markets are seeing more about us, seeing what we represent, and then also from the comments and likes that people add to that. We find this as a critical. Like I said, it was a relationship that we had to work both sides to get the product just right to what we're trying to deliver to our market. And now we have that and we're happy with it.